Hello, this video is on RapidSOS integration and brought to you by Nelson Systems Incorporated. I'll be using an Eventide Nextlog DX model recorder with software version 2024.1. RapidSOS is a licensed feature which also requires either an ANI-ALI integration or i3 integration to obtain the 911 caller ID. The 911 caller ID is then used by the RapidSOS integration and is submitted to the RapidSOS clearinghouse to retrieve the additional data for that 911 call. To see which 911 calls have RapidSOS data, you can add one of the RapidSOS fields. So we'll right click on the column header area in our search tab. This can be done in the browse tab as well. And we will scroll down and find RapidSOS or RSOS location. Now that I have that column added, we can see which calls have RapidSOS data. We can then right click on one of those recordings and view the properties. And in the All tab, you can scroll down to the RapidSOS section and see the additional RapidSOS data that has been retrieved for that 911 call. If we right click on a recording that has RapidSOS data and choose View Location, it'll open up a map and we can then see the additional RapidSOS data. So if we zoom in here a bit, we can see all of the RapidSOS location data points that were retrieved. The blue circles are the breadcrumb trails as the caller was moving. So if we float our mouse over those, we can see location 1 of 30, 2 of 30, 3 of 30, and so on to the end where it is location 30 of 30. Those are all of our RapidSOS data points. The red pinpoint is the location information we received from the ANI-ALI information, and that can be different depending on when that data was grabbed from the phone and then passed on. So the RapidSOS information or data points, location points, will be more accurate than the standard ANI-ALI location or i3 location that we receive. If you have any questions on the RapidSOS integration, please reach out to our office and we can have someone get in touch with you to discuss the integration as well as providing a quote if needed. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.